Hello guys, in this tutorial we will take a new role in the function, that is the use of lambda function in the Python. Because what happened, the lambda function provide the new functionality in the coding. So here we will see how you can go for the lambda function, what exactly that function. So lambda function can take any number of argument, but it can have only one expression. So by using this two line you can understand what is lambda function. So lambda function can take any number of argument. You can use one argument, two argument, three, any number, and it can have only one expression, because till now in the function what we did, we use two line of code, three line of code, there is no restriction. But whenever you are going to perform one particular expression with the function, you can go for the lambda function because it take one expression. So whenever you put the coding in the form of expression, and that will be only one, so you can go for the lambda function. So how you can use that? So first you observe the syntax for that. It is written like a lambda arguments. You put up all the arguments there. You can say like A, B, C, like that, and you can go for the expression. So now here we will see how you can do the programming with the lambda function. So now here I am going to have lambda function. So we start with the variable. Here you have to write lambda. So my function is lambda, and it is going to have some, you can say, parameter also like a, and it is separated by, now here this argument and expression is separated by the colon. So here I am writing a plus 1, so that is the expression, and this thing I am going to show in the print statement. So here I have to call this, I have to execute this function. So I will take this variable, and it is having actually, you can say, the one parameter. So I will put the value for that 2, and then closing of print. So now you see this value will be passed to here. So it means a is 2, and here it is nothing but 2 plus 1 3. So it will execute 3, and as we are writing x of 2, it will show you the output also. So now we check the output. So you see output is exactly coming 3, because what happened here, 2 plus 1 3. So suppose if I write here a, then what happened, it will show the output 4. So you see here the output is coming 4. So now here we have just one variable. You can go for the 2 like a and b. So here I am writing a plus b. You can write whatever the logic you want. So here you should pass the two values, then 2 and 3. So it will show the, this value will be passed here, 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 means the value of a and b. It will execute the result 5. So here we will get the output 5. So now we just check the output, check the result. So you see it is 5. So in this way you can go for the two arguments. Okay, you can go for the 2 argument, 3 argument, 4 argument, like that. It's up to you. So here the lambda function, it take the, you can say, it take the parameters, it take the expression, but it limitation is that it takes only one expression. So whenever we are going to have one expression with the particular code, you can refer the lambda function. Okay, so it is up to your choice. The Python is providing you the option in the terms of lambda. If you comfortable with that, and whenever you are going to have the one expression in the code, you can use the lambda function. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.